Good morning, everyone. I am so happy that you are here today. One of the things that we are doing with our Funny Dapper curriculum right now is creating resources that you can use throughout the month and with specific lesson plans to enhance your active learning centers in your classroom. Most preschool classrooms do have an art center, a math center, and a writing center. So we are creating theme-related activities that you can print and laminate to use in those centers all month long. One of my favorite resources for a math center are what we call count and clip cards. And there are two different options here so that you can work with your students on number recognition and one-to-one correspondence, as well as number sense. So what I'm going to do with this before I put this in my math center is I'm going to introduce this at circle time. And I'm going to talk to my students about how we use these cards. First, we're going to identify the number 2. We know how to count to 2. 1, 2. Now, we're going to look for the picture that shows us 2. Let's start at the bottom and look at the roosters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that show 2? No. Let's try the next line. 1, 2, 3. Does that show 2? No. But what about up here? 1, 2. 2 cows. And then we're going to take our clothespin, which is fantastic for building those fine motor skills, and we're going to clip the cows because they show the number 2. One of the other ways I like to do it is to reverse it. We're going to count the pictures and then we're going to choose the number that matches the amount of cows that we see in our picture. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one of these shows the number 4? There it is. Well done. We're going to take our clothespin and we're going to clip the number 4. Once I set the expectations for using this material, I'll do a small group lesson plan at the table and let my students rotate, and then I'm going to place these in the Math Center so they can use them over and over again throughout the month. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.